Well, here we are, just about to start day 2. Day 2. Oh, look at this accommodation. That looks rather splendid. Where's Peter though? He's not in. Chef. Chef or guest. Oh, cups of tea. Wonderful.
Oh yeah.
Enjoy the rest of your trip.
Right, and the honour.
Take care then.
Oh, bye guys. Thank you. Bye. Wind today, isn't there, Peter? We're on the firing ranges.
Are they going to
I was working on AJAX and stuff like that.
Oh yeah.
Here's Peter zimming down the track. Yeah, we've come down off the plateau. Looks like we might be heading over to the Ridgeway by the White Horse. It's the canal. We take the canal back to Reading.
Good idea.
Towpath, nice and flat. Peter stopped to open the gate for me. Unfortunately, I don't get to have a rest.
A gate, a kingdom for my gate. Isn't it beautiful?
That's where we come from, Peter, the plain over there.
Plattocks.
The Plattocks. We've come across the valley of the Avon. 5 minutes for me. Through a field of rakes. Oh, right.
Beckham Avenue.
Yeah.
You sure it's not little and large?
No, it's definitely not little and large.
Beckle. And on Avebury Church, the clock says,
Get a move on.
yeah, get a move on.
Just leaving Avebury behind and heading up onto the Ridgeway proper now, not just the false Ridgeway. Peter the way he just lifts his bike up like that. Unbelievable. Hello.
50 to go.
150 miles.
Miles.
Okay. Lovely bit of open countryside. Oh, heading straight into that wind again now. Oh, another steep climb coming up. Just pushing up into the hill fort. Climbed out of Osborne St George, heading towards Uffington and the White Horse. Heading north, down in the valley, look at Swindon. Got ponies in the field on my right. Anyhow, back there, I found this really good camping spot, and I was at my lowest ebb. And Peter said, well, let's do another 15 then.
It was bloody empty.
I said, cool, bring it on.
Don't take my eyes off the track.
No.
Because then when you stop, oh, that looks nice.
Yeah.
Can't take your eyes off for a minute, can you?
No. Not without ending up in the bushes.
Do with a scrub, couldn't it?
Could. Unless it's marble. No, could do with a scrub. So it's a moody sky in front. Peter's making us ride into the night. He wants to do a bit of night riding, he said. We've got some hills coming up now, so that's going to warm us up a bit. Ended up having to push up this one, just too worn out to ride it, unfortunately. Probably just going a little bit too far today.